Ito lang ang tanong ko sa military. Hanggang kailan kayo magsuporta ng drug addict? Once upon a time, I was president. Now, I could just imagine what will happen to my country if things go awry. I will take my cue from the military. Kung sabihan nila na we will take this step, I will support it. Sige, Mayor, samahan mo kami, magpunta tayo doon sa tignan nating records. We will ask. Tapos ganun. I will follow.
As the former president, do you see the repeat of history?
No. Leave me out. Ako basta kung may mga ganong uprising, sinabi ko na sa kanila, I'm out. Wala akong participation.
But will you not?
No, nothing. I am not enjoining them. I am not telling them anything. Ito lang ang tanong ko sa military. Hanggang kailan kayo magsuporta ng drug addict? Yes, about 4 years. Kayong magsabi,